Hi everyone, what's up? Thank you so much for being here. If you guys are new to my channel, hi, my name is Jessie and I'm so excited for today's video because I have the full collection of the MAC in collaboration with PATRIC STARRR, and this is their spring collection. This is actually PATRIC STARRR's second collection with MAC Cosmetics. The first one, he released it around December and I wasn't really able to get that because I've decided to buy my relatives some gifts instead. I think it was like later last year, not really specifically December, but you guys know, like around that time. So the reason why I was able to snag these is because first of all, they are very affordable. Each kit is only $49.50. You will be getting a lip gloss, a lipstick, something for your cheeks, and an eyeshadow palette. So $50 is not cheap, but for MAC, it kinda is. Without further ado, let's start the unboxing. We're gonna start with the Miso Fleek. Now the box packaging looks like this. It is very aesthetically pleasing. Wait until you see what the products look like. I'm pretty sure you guys have seen it all over Instagram. Okay, so all of the products are carefully wrapped with these purple, like dark lavender papers just to secure them in place, which is really nice. So the lip gloss and lipstick is bundled together. This is, look at the lip gloss packaging. This is in the shade Queen P, and it has a doe foot applicator. It is not a brush, and it smells a little bit like candy. You guys see that? I'm gonna give you guys a nice swatch, of course. So you guys have like a better idea on what it looks like. And now let me show you what the lipstick looks like. The lipstick is called Hey Boy Hey. This is what the lipstick looks like. It took me almost 2 minutes just to figure out how this thing focuses, and the lipstick looks like this. Let me give you a nice swatch. There you go. Let's move on to the cheek product. This is called Take Me Home. It is a powder and blush duo. You'll be getting 10 grams of a product, and look at the packaging. Like, how cool is that? The packaging is not heavy. It's actually like very lightweight, like pretty much similar to some of the MAC blushes. Let me open it up for you guys. This actually looks like a Sailor Moon type of, it kind of like reminded me of Sailor Moon in a, I don't know why it reminded me of Sailor Moon. But yeah, I really love the pink that is mixed with a gold rim right over here. I am in love with this packaging. Now let me give you guys some swatches. That's the first one, and this is the second one. There's actually just like a slight difference. Okay. When you swatch it side by side, you can't really see any difference, but when you look at here, it looks like this one is like, of course, way darker than this one. So this is matte and this is shimmery. Now let's move on to the eyeshadow. If my eyes is twitching, I'm so sorry. That is because yesterday I closed and I opened today and I'm still filming right now. So yeah, I'm just really excited to show this to you guys, okay? So I'm sorry. So this is called Play With Me eyeshadow, and usually our eyeshadows would range from $16 to $22. It depends on what kind it is, like if it's a dazzle shadow, if it's a matte or a satin, something like that. But this is what the packaging looks like. And let me show you the eyeshadows. Again, the gold mixed with a baby pink, it's just so beautiful. Let me show you some swatches. I'm so happy that I didn't buy that single blue eyeshadow in the store because I was actually trying to, like, contemplating to buy that before, and then PATRIC came through. So in Living Pink, All's Rosy, Hickey, and In the Shadows. So they're actually very silky to the touch, and if you do not believe me, just go in the store so you can play with it. So I feel like in the shadows is like a little powdery. It's weird. But anyway, I'm just showing you guys the swatches so you guys could, you know, figure it out to yourself if you wanted it or not. Let me try the lip gloss. Oh my god, I love it. I was actually about to buy Girl About Town, and this kind of looks like that, so I'm not about to buy that anymore. It looks like this. My lips is dry. Now let's try on the blush. I don't have, okay, this makeup has been in my face since 9 a.m. so I don't know if you guys could still see something, but to me there's pretty much nothing in there. The only one that stayed pretty much is actually the highlighter, so I'm just gonna mix these together. Okay, that's too much. No! Oh my gosh, I look like a freaking clown. I could have just picked the light one. So, I don't know what the workaround for this one, but let me just do that. So if you guys are more of like NC30 or NC20 or someone who's lighter, I don't think this will, I mean it could, probably like if you do this. You guys know what I mean? But this is what the blush looks like. There you go. And then also I'll be making a separate video for the eyeshadows, like to like do like the whole look, okay? So don't be like getting all mad at me, okay? This was actually supposed to be just like an unboxing, but I just really can't help it if I like try it on my face. So for the eyeshadows, for this whole kit, I will definitely make like a dedicated video for each kit and then give you guys my overall thoughts. But as of right now, I just really want you guys to see what the colors look like, if you guys want to grab it for yourself or not. And you can just place your own judgment just by looking at the swatches, okay? Now, in each kit, you will actually be getting one of these. So I'll just figure out what do I want to do with this later in life. Let me just read what it says here in the back. Spring into fierceness and blossom into your own beauty. Live your floral fantasy. XOXO PATRIC STARRR. Aww. Now let's move on to the next kit, and this kit is called Me So Chic. Let's open it up. Oh no, my nails. So the lipstick kind of left a little bit of stain, but that's all right. Let's try the gloss first. So the gloss, I don't even know where to swatch this anymore, girl. It's going to look like that. I don't even know if you guys can see. But just to give you guys an idea, I'm gonna put it up close. I'm gonna do that. Oh, you know what? Okay, let's try on the next lip product. So this is called Mama Star Kiss, and this is called Sweet Mama Star. What it looks like. So this is an amplified cream lipstick. Okay, so that's what the lipstick looks like. So my eyes look so uneven right now because my lashes, the lashes that I'm wearing right now is like super old, so it needs to move on in life. Now let's move on to the cheek palette right over here. It is called I'm Not Blushing. Same packaging, and this is what it looks like. And it also has a mirror So I was thinking like, what is this? Like, is this a contour powder or it's also a blush? Let me see. It might have like a different undertone into it. Okay. So the blush is more of like a peachy one, and then the other one is more of like that. So this is what the blushes look like. Okay. Let's try it. Just gonna try the peach one. Ooh, I'm gonna try the dark one, just a little bit. Okay, so that's what it looks like. Now let's take a look at the eyeshadow. Okay, I'm gonna swatch them for you guys so you guys can see the colors. Okay. So these are all your shades. The reason why I'm kind of like, because I can't really see it in the computer, but then again, like it might be just because that's how the color is supposed to look like. Do you know what I mean? But I can't tell you guys right now on what I feel about the eyeshadows because I haven't really tried them on my eyes. Then let's take a look on what the photo is included in the kit. There you go. Is this how it, is it really for like contouring? I don't know. So that is all for today, guys. I really do hope that you guys have enjoyed my unboxing video and swatches. I will make separate videos for each of the kits so that we can have more in-depth video about it. And let me know if you are going to grab these kits, why and why not. I will see you guys on my next video. Bye!